Hello and welcome to our show. The show is called The Sound of Stuff. If you can guess what the sound is, well, you don't get anything, but maybe you can feel smart and proud of yourself. Let's give it a go. Can you guess this sound? Yes, that is the sound of many children singing loudly and off key. It is the sound that makes animals flee and flowers wither and die. Can you guess this sound? Yes, it is the sound of an air conditioning unit. The sound that makes everyone happy in these humid and hot days when you just want to lie in bed and do nothing. Can you guess this sound? Yes, it is the sound of a brown-eared bulbul, the most annoying bird in the whole world, the kind of bird that makes you wish you were deaf. Can you guess this sound? Yes, it is the sound of a leaky faucet, the sound that makes you want to get rid of all indoor plumbing in your house. Can you guess this sound? Yes, that was the sound of two scissors scraping against each other. A sound that, well, you don't really ever need to hear for any reason whatsoever. Thanks for watching. We're done now. Goodbye.